My 12-year-old daughter had a shocking hair fall, which really scared me. And I was not sure as to whether I should be giving supplements or what is the reason. We did blood test and everything, and we could not figure out there was any big problem or anything. So we met a hair skin specialist. We got the supplements, but somehow I was not convinced to give so much heavy dose medication to her. And before that, she had been having a frequent fever, cold and cough since 6 to 8 months. So somewhere I was having at the back of my mind that it is something which is not to go with, which should not be taken the medication path, because I was having a friend of mine in the known circle who was following the nature cure principles, and on and off even I used to follow it, or I used to attempt following it under her guidance. So somehow it pushed me to follow the natural path without medication for my daughter. I was also very having a lot of questions, confusion whether this is the right thing or not. But then the fever which she got, we managed to get it down and to come out of it without any medicine, no crocin, no dolo, nothing, which gave me confidence and which gave my daughter also confidence that yes, it is possible to heal or to come out of any problem which the body is fighting without medication. So that is when we decided to follow this new lifestyle, which is a plant-based lifestyle, because I wanted that hair problem to be resolved fully. So we started taking guidance from Dr. Prashanti and Asha ma'am, and slowly I saw a lot of changes in her overall energy, her health, and her hair. Definitely, it was not a drastic change that suddenly in 2 months her hair was very thick and all, but then yes, the hair fall had reduced, and we could see that her cold and cough had also reduced the intensity. So that is when we decided to stick to this new lifestyle under the guidance of Asha ma'am and Dr. Prashanti, which definitely we do face challenges in this, because within a month of vacation time, when we faltered and we started eating outside all the foods, we saw some changes in her hair quality. So we have decided that we are going to follow this path of plant-based lifestyle, and slowly we will definitely see big changes, because I have known now many people around me, and I am very positive, and we feel confident after this changes.